Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Ford GT. This incredible machine demands respect, and understanding its core characteristics is your first step. The Ford GT features a powerful twin-turbocharged V6 engine, delivering over 600 horsepower to the rear wheels. Before you even start the engine, take a moment to adjust your seat and steering wheel for optimal comfort and control. Familiarize yourself with the paddle shifters and the various drive modes available. To begin, ensure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal before pressing the engine start button. The Ford GT will roar to life with its distinctive sound. Next, select drive mode using the intuitive rotary shifter located on the center console. While the car can operate in automatic, you can also engage manual control using the steering wheel-mounted paddle shifters for a more engaging experience, shifting up or down as needed. When accelerating, remember the Ford GT's immense power. Apply gentle and progressive throttle input to avoid overwhelming the rear tires and maintain smooth control. Similarly, practice progressive braking. Gradually increase pressure on the brake pedal for effective and stable deceleration. Due to its rapid acceleration capabilities, always maintain a safe following distance of several car lengths from other vehicles, especially at higher speeds. For cornering, approach turns at a controlled speed, looking through the corner to anticipate the exit. As you exit the turn, apply light and steady throttle to maintain stability and optimize traction. The Ford GT is engineered for performance, and its limits are best explored in a safe, controlled environment. Consider attending a professional driving school or a dedicated track day to truly experience and master its full capabilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.